qué, cómo, cuándo y dónde. Tú siempre me respondes. Quizás, quizás, quizás. Y así pasan los días y yo desesperando. Los días y yo desesperando y tú contestando. Quizás, quizás, quizás. Pasan los días y yo desesperando y tú contestando. Quizás, 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 quizás. I love Spanish music. What about you? Those tones and this rhythm is just make you want to move. So this song is dedicated to all of my Spanish-speaking friends. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my pronunciation. My friend helped me with the word siempre. I hope I pronounced it well for you. And I really enjoyed this song. I really enjoyed preparing it for you. So I really hope you liked it and you will support me by sharing these videos with your friends and subscribing to my channel, following on Instagram, because I am preparing you some more. And yeah, happy Orthodox Easter and happy Catholic Easter, of course, to all my friends that celebrate. We've got some leftovers of eggs here and cute little bunny. So I hope you celebrated Jesus Christ these days with your family. I know that it's different because it's quarantine, but still it was special for us. So I hope it was special for you too. Love you. Bye. Te quiero.